everyone, I am Kainat and I am the owner of Pumpkin's Fairy Garden, and I am collaborating with Naeem Trading Company to bring to you sustainable hack. Today we are sitting in this beautiful Scavellini kitchen, and I have a beautiful addition for this kitchen and for you in your homes, because mint is one of the most frequently used herbs in our kitchens in Pakistan, and this is one plant that is present year around. You do not need to water it a lot. It requires very little fertilizer and sunlight, so it is the ideal plant if you're starting out with your sustainability journey in your kitchen. So today I'll tell you a hack that nobody else will. This is an eggshell. You take it in the hand and you crush it, and you get small granules that you add to your pot. You can add at least 3 to 4 eggshells to a pot this size, and for 6 months you're good to go in terms of fertilizing this mint pot. So you can see the topsoil being exposed here, but it doesn't really give a very beautiful or finished look to the entire pot. So what you can do is take stones. I chose black stones because it goes very well with the interior of this kitchen and the color of this pot. So you take these stones, you add them to this area over here. It not only gives a finished look for your pot, it also enables water retention, which means less water for your plant. If you use topsoil, it will add beauty and it will be sustainable at the same time.